Hey guys, it's JayCee Chandler back again. I'm back after, I guess it's been a couple of weeks, so I hope everybody's doing amazing. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and it's some items that I plan on using in the next couple of weeks, probably the next few videos, just to show an alternative to something that I saw being done if you don't have the materials. Something I saw on Sharika Originals page. She was working with some foils, and I wanted to show you something in case you don't have that product. But today is mostly just the haul, okay? So I went to the Dollar Tree and just saw some confetti. The actual amount, I don't know. Oh, 2 ounces. Believe it or not, 2 ounces. So I got the silver and I got the gold. And these are for some future projects that I was just kind of thinking of doing, but I'm not sure what exactly. But these are really, really fine. This one is not as fine, but so I got some confetti. I got some napkins. Let's see, y'all know I play with the decoupage. So here's some Christmas napkins, and there's some butterfly napkins, which I can't wait to use. And I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this. The plan is to make my own tissue paper again with this, and then another Christmas napkin. So another pair of napkins. Let's see. Well, that's for me. Anyway, so I found, okay, so the calendar that I got last time, I showed you guys a calendar, and it started in August and it ended in July. And I was like, that is a jip, especially since they're charging $1.50 now for their calendars. However, we all need it, so I had to buy it. And this one, at least it gives you some notepads at the bottom. So, got a 2025 calendar. And I got a tablecloth. This is a Christmas tablecloth. And I was wanting tissue paper, but let's see what this looks like, because I might be able to scan this and make my own tissue paper now that I know I can. Oh, this is a little puffy under here. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, this is really, really, really cheap. But it'll work. It'll work. I like it. I like it. Let me see. It's really thin, but it feels puffy. So it's got almost a cloth backing, but that's really, really thin. Yeah, and it's like a plastic and some kind of cloth-like material. But I like the fact that I can pick wherever I want to scan. And even though I've had a Christmas event already, I'm already thinking about next year, because I don't have any other events. But this right here, I really like. So tissue paper is what I have in mind for that one. Okay. And I have, let me see, I have resin, and I wanted to, I'm going to be working with this. I wanted to see what this one looked like. This is a coaster. Sorry for the noise. Oh, okay, I see. This is a coaster, and it looks like you can do it. I was really hoping that this was one deep thing, but it's not. Well, we'll see. I might not be able to use this the way that I wanted, but I'll show you guys when I'm ready to do something with it. I got a little thing of Mod Podge. Even though I have this huge container, I figured let me get the small one and then I can just refill this. That's really the only reason why I got that. I got some purple paint because I have some ideas to make some things with purple, and I think I haven't seen a whole lot of purple items in my stash, so I'm gonna work with some purple. And a couple of items that I got that I think will work well with a couple of the projects that I plan on doing. Now this is a face roller, but my plan is to use it for when I am doing some, yeah, that's gonna work. When I'm trying to press some material down onto the wood. When I glue it on, press it on like that. So that I'm going to use. I needed another one of these because I couldn't find it, and the blue one is the one that I try to use with my resin. And I got these because if I'm going to try this foil technique that Sherry with Sharika Originals was showing, then I needed something to press the paste down with. So I got those. And I have an idea for this bowl. It's a 4-piece set, which I'm happy about. So that's going to be a project that I'm thinking of doing, and I want to show you guys coming up. Speaking of tissue paper, so remember Sherry was showing a technique with foils, and this is tissue paper, and I said, you know what, some people may not want to buy the foil, they may not have the glue, they may not even want to have the iron or the press or whatever. So I said, let me see what they have here. Tissue paper, or anything. I wasn't really sure what I was looking for until I saw it. The only thing about this has 5 sheets in here, and I got it in gold and I got it in silver. Let me take the silver one out too. And I opened up a different one, and I'll show you the other one as well. I opened up a different one, and I'm a little disappointed because it says 5 sheets. Gift wrap. Okay, so this one does say 2 metallic tissues. 2 metallic tissues. All right. But the other one that I got, it didn't have the number of printed. So now you really only have 2 metallic sheets in here, and the rest out of the 5 is just gray tissue paper. All right, so let me see. The tissue paper is, it doesn't say the size, so let me pull it out and see if I can tell you. It's pretty big, I think. Pretty big. It doesn't say the size on here, but that's okay. So, but if you're thinking about panels, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. So you got 10 panels, and each panel is about 9.5 inches by, say, 4.5. Okay, so that's a good amount of material to work with. And I think I'm going to use this on wood. I'm not sure, but I wanted to see what they look like when I pulled it out. Let me open this one up too. And this is tissue paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so that's almost sticking. It's not peeling, but okay. So this one has 2 metallics. I'm taking one out, and they're the same size. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fold that back. And I think I like this metallic for possibly put it on wood. Yeah, okay, so these are tissue papers that I got, and this is the package that it comes in. All right, so we got the metallics. So I got 2 2 gold and 2 silver. This is what they look like. Okay. All right, so that, and I got a couple of other tissue papers. Or, yeah. This one is the one I was talking about. So it comes like this. It says 8, and I'll open this one up. And so it has so it had the yellow and then these. And this one doesn't say. It says 4 printed tissues. Okay, maybe I just didn't notice it. So you got 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. I was like, are you kidding me? So we got 4 printed ones, but look at this print. I could make myself more of this if I needed to onto tissue paper, but this is going to be beautiful on wood. So I got that, and then you have the yellow, which we could always put some metallic paint on, right? So we got that one. And then this purple, again, here I go with the purple again. I need more purple. For some reason, I don't have it. Now this says 4 printed, but let's see what this looks like, because I didn't take it out. I took the other one out in the store, and I was hoping I didn't get in trouble, because I really want to, oh, that's pretty. Look at that. I like that. I'm not going to open it all the way up, but that's pretty. I like that. All right. So Dollar Tree tissue paper. You get 4 printed and 4 plain. So I'm okay with that. Let me see. What else did I get? I got some other stuff that was more personal items. So I won't go through showing all that because it was not craft related. But I wanted to just make sure I showed you what was going on here with the Dollar Tree haul. So I'm getting ready to mark up my calendar, mark those special days, you know, like payday, okay, and days that I am off, you know, stuff like that. I usually take some time at the end of December to mark all the calendars for all the dates, including some upcoming events. And I like the fact that it has notepads down here, and this one will probably be in my work area. But anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope you're in your craft room creating something amazing. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.